Need a reliable way to get Korean products delivered to your doorstep? You Buy and We Ship is a proxy shipping service that facilitates easy, cheap, and convenient international shipping from Korea. This type of service is beneficial for international customers who know how to purchase products from Korean online stores but face challenges with international shipping. Delivered Korea provides a free Korean shipping address for your purchases from popular online stores like Weverse Shop, Gmarket, Coupang, Interpark, and more. Simply shop in Korea, use our address, request repacking, consolidation, or other additional services if needed, and we'll forward your packages directly to you, no matter where you are in the world. That's the convenience of Delivered Korea's package forwarding service. Okay, let's break it down step by step. When you order from Korean stores, use a free Korean shipping address and ensure your package has a suite number. Log into your personal cabinet on Delivered Korea or create a new account. Head over to the You Buy Orders section and open My Incoming Order form. To start, please provide us with the essential information for your incoming package. This includes the domestic tracking number, carrier, store name, item description, type, price, and quantity. Make sure to detail the item's information in English. For a seamless customs clearance process, we recommend attaching a screenshot showing the value of the goods at the time of purchase. This ensures accurate documentation. Submit the form. You may check and amend your submitted advance shipping notification at the You Buy Orders section at any time before the package arrives. Remember, if you are unsure about the domestic tracking number, our dedicated warehouse team will create an incoming order form for you once your package arrives. Just keep an eye out for the notification email alerting you of your package's arrival. Once your package has arrived at the warehouse, please provide the necessary item information. Head over to the You Buy Orders section. There you'll find a button labeled Please Submit Requested Info. Click on it to effortlessly register your item details. Your package will automatically transition to the received status and will be visible in the My Packages section. If your order is received, that means your order has made it to your suite and is ready for the next step. Check out other tutorials, our service pricing page, and our FAQ section to learn more on how to request additional services. If you do not need optional services, add your package directly to the cart and request shipping. Choose the item, hit Add to Cart. For the next steps, make sure your shipping details are all set. If there are any changes needed, you can do that at My Account Settings. Choose your preferred shipping method and hit Checkout. Almost there! Time to settle the bill. Use your preferred method: credit card, debit card, Korean domestic payment methods, PayPal, or your delivered balance. One last check on the payment amount, and when everything looks good, press Pay Now. Your delivery request is now complete. Keep in mind that delivery times may vary based on your destination and the chosen delivery option. We've got you covered with a tracking number which you'll receive via email as soon as the package leaves our warehouse. Following the steps will help ensure a smooth and efficient shopping experience. You may also find written guidelines on how to use our We Buy and Ship service on our website. Like, share, and subscribe if you find this video useful.